Hi everyone, my name is Liz and I'm the founder at Liz Careers. Today we're going to be talking about how to negotiate for a salary. I think talking about money makes everyone very uncomfortable. So today I'm just going to tell you about a few things that you can keep in mind or a couple of tips that you can use while negotiating for a salary while you've applied for a new job. So the first thing is it's really important to do research before you even apply for a job. Look at all the jobs out there. What are people offering for the same roles? What's the kind of jobs that are there? What is the difference between maybe an executive level or a managerial level or the size of the company? What are people paying right now in the market? Unfortunately, in a market like India, we don't really have set bands as such for a lot of companies, especially if they are startups. They don't really have bands of salaries that they offer. So you may have to do a little bit more research about the type of salaries that are being offered in the market. I think it's very important to understand what your value is in the first place. Also be able to put that across to the employer. What is the value that you are going to be adding to the job? Why are you asking for a certain amount of money? What are the things that you can bring to the table? I think that is really important to highlight or shed light on when you are in the negotiation process. Remember to always be professional while negotiating for a salary. Don't be rude or, when you're talking to them, give them examples or comparisons that may sound a bit rude. And don't feel shy. Don't not answer calls or not reply to emails. Get on to things immediately. Get on a call. Have those conversations. Don't be unprofessional while negotiating for salaries. Also consider other benefits. There may be companies that may be not able to pay you a very high salary, but they may have other benefits like travel allowance or phone allowance or meals that they're willing to pay for. Also, a lot of companies have PF, or they also have options for you to buy shares within the company. All of those things add up to your salary. So while negotiating, don't forget to negotiate those in as well. Fifth thing is, don't forget to stand your ground. If you feel like this is a certain amount of salary that you are expecting or kind of amount of work that the job requires, if you've done your research and you're asking for something that is fair, then just stand your ground and make sure that you are strong and affirmative about it. And stay focused while having those negotiation conversations. Don't ramble into other aspects as to why you are asking for that kind of salary. Stick to the facts. Stick to why you deserve a kind of salary. Don't bring in personal matters in terms of, or these are my expenses, or these are my EMIs, or these are the kind of things that I need to pay for, because that's not really going to get you the kind of salary that you want. Okay. Once you finish the whole negotiation process, don't forget to get the final offer in writing. Don't settle down for something that's verbal. Make sure that all the terms and conditions have been written down. During a negotiation period, it's always good to speak to people from the industry. There are tons of people, who would love to reach out and help you. People from your family, friends who maybe work in HR or maybe are doing the same kind of role that you are. Maybe they'll be able to shed more light on what kind of salaries you should be expecting. And my final tip to everyone is there are tons of videos to watch on how to negotiate salary, how to be a good negotiator. I think negotiation skills are great even in a normal job. It's not only during your interview process. Great negotiation skills go a long way. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the tips. Tune in next time. Bye.